Keep your little one comfortable as they stay active this season in these shoes by ASICS. This mesh upper gives them lots of breathability, keeping them cool on those hot summer days, while also utilizing an intuitive fit system for a more snug feel. They'll get some 3D printed overlays that give them a super modern yet unique look, and they'll love the fact that the ASICS logo is actually pretty shimmery. They'll find that a classic lace-up closure gives a nice customizable feel, while the pull tab at the back allows for easy on or off access. They'll get lots of cushioning around the collar and at the tongue for a really snug feel, and love the fact that the textile lining gives lots of breathability. The insole is very well padded for some all-day comfort and even provides some arch support. They'll find that the midsole gives a lot of rebound as it is injected with 180 degrees of gel. They'll also love that the outsole has lots of lugs and textures to give them maximum traction as they run along.